Here's a 3-day, 100 grams protein per day meal plan tailored for weight loss. This plan balances lean protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs to support muscle maintenance while promoting fat loss. Adjust portion sizes based on your specific calorie needs. Day 1. Breakfast. 1. Spinach and egg white omelet. 6 egg whites, 20 g protein. 1 cup spinach. 1 slice whole grain toast. 5 grams protein. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Morning snack. 1. Greek yogurt, 6 ounces, 10 grams protein. 2. 1 small apple. Lunch. 1. Grilled chicken salad. 4 ounces grilled chicken breast, 25 g protein. Mixed greens, cucumbers, tomatoes, and lemon vinaigrette. 1/4 avocado. Afternoon snack. 1 hard-boiled egg, 6 grams protein. 2. 10 almonds. Dinner. 1. Baked salmon with steamed broccoli. 4 ounces salmon, 23 g protein. 1 cup steamed broccoli. 1/2 cup quinoa, 4 grams protein. Total protein. Approximately 100 grams. Day 2. Breakfast. 1. Protein smoothie. 1 scoop whey protein, 25 g protein. 1/2 banana. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1 tablespoon peanut butter. Morning snack. 1. 2 rice cakes with 2 tablespoons cottage cheese, 10 g protein, lunch. 1. Turkey lettuce wraps. 4 ounces lean ground turkey, 20 g protein. Lettuce leaves, diced peppers, and salsa. 1/4 avocado. Afternoon snack. 1. String cheese, 6 grams protein. 2. 1 handful baby carrots. Dinner. 1. Grilled shrimp stir-fry. 4 ounces shrimp, 22 grams protein. 1 cup mixed stir-fry vegetables. 1/2 cup cooked brown rice. Total protein. Approximately 100 grams. Day 3. Breakfast. 1. Scrambled eggs with turkey bacon. 2 whole eggs plus 2 egg whites, 14 g protein. 2 slices turkey bacon, 12 g protein. 1 slice whole grain toast. Morning snack. 1. 1/4 cup roasted chickpeas, 6 grams protein. 2. 1 clementine. And lunch. 1. Grilled chicken and sweet potato bowl. 4 ounces grilled chicken breast, 25 g protein. 1/2 cup roasted sweet potato. Steamed green beans. Afternoon snack. 1. Low-fat cottage cheese, 1/2 cup, 12 grams protein. 2. 5 walnut halves. Dinner. 1. Grilled tofu and veggies. 4 ounces grilled tofu, 20 g protein. Roasted zucchini and bell peppers. 1/2 cup quinoa, 4 grams protein. Total protein. Approximately 100 grams. Tips for success. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to aid digestion and satiety. 2. Portion control. Adjust quantities if your calorie needs differ. 3. Meal prep. Prepare meals and snacks ahead to save time and stay on track.